What's going on, guys? Streams by Q here, and today I'm going to be unboxing this FYY premium handmade leather case. It's going to be replacing my wallet, and it'll fit around my S10 phone. I'm not exactly sure if I should be showing. Well, no, never mind. It's alright. But yeah, everything seems chills for the S10, as you can see. I'm going to go down and open it up for you guys real quick. Look at that. It's nice. It's nice. Alright. I'm gonna go down and open this up too. It's the first look. Now I did get the green. Got the green leather case. Look at that. It's got the back panel. I believe there are magnets on this here. Yeah, there's magnets on that to make sure that it stays closed. Unless you close it yourself. Now look at that. There's a lot of stuff in here. There's a lot of stuff in here. Take that out, put that over there, put these over there. The smell of leather is normal after being processed. Don't worry about it. The smell will disappear after 3 to 5 days of daily use. Contact us at FYYcase at FYYUStech.com. I'm gonna go and take that away. I'm gonna actually smell this leather and see. It doesn't smell weird. What the heck? It's alright. I guess some people might have like a super sensitive nose or something. I'm not too sure what this will be. I guess this will be like a keychain type of thing. But yeah, man. Take the cards out. I will basically put my cards in here. There's also a panel to put money in as well. This is nice. This is pretty nice. So I've been looking for a new case because my old OtterBox case actually got messed up. The buttons were hard to press on it. Right here is kind of like, let me see, it might be something in here, or I guess not. Right here is kind of like, it's gonna protect my phone. Obviously, I put my phone there, and then I also have the places to press my buttons as well. This case can be mounted too, if I can figure out how to do so. Hold on real quick. Okay, well, as you guys can see, this is how you mount it. You will basically bring this all the way back around like that and clip it like this. So I'm trying to do this with one hand, and it'll clip, and that's how you mount it. Now you could lay your phone like that, or you could put it like that. For the little designs here, as you can see, it says FYY designed in Germany. Has FYY here. This stuff is, I don't know, I'm guessing it's going to be a pretty nice case. I'm going to let you guys know in about a week if I like it. It's my first time getting a wallet type of case because I'm tired of carrying this big old bulky wallet around. So I had them all on my phone, all in one pocket. I'll be set. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for watching this video. Check me out on Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Twitch, and Snapchat, all at Streams by Q. Thank you for watching, and take care.